A set of all real values of x satisfying the inequality x square into x plus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Nice question, because one starting simplification is very important. X square into x plus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole cube is greater than 0. You look at numerator, you look at denominator, you look at turning points, and then you crack it. First of all, x square is always non-negative, and so x square cannot be negative. So I can remove x square from this expression. All I need to keep in mind is I cannot put x equal to 0 as part of the solution. If x is 0, this goes to 0, it has to be greater than 0. 0 is not part of the solution, I can remove x square. Likewise, 2x plus 1 whole square is always positive, greater than or equal to 0. So I can imagine this as x square by 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 greater than 0. This part is greater than or equal to 0. So remove this completely, bearing in mind that x cannot be 0, x cannot be minus half. That this goes to 0 or this goes to 0, I have to worry about it. If the numerator goes to 0, the expression will go to 0. Denominator goes to 0, that's not allowed. And so this is now x plus 1 by x minus 1 into 2 times x plus half greater than 0. Roots are ideas where something goes to 0. Numerator will go to 0 when x is minus 1. Denominator will go to 0 when x is 1 or minus half. What do I do? Draw the number line. Put minus half here, minus 1 here, 0 because I need to remember 0, and 1 here. I want to know when this is greater than 0. When x is greater than 1, positive, positive, positive. So this will work. And when x is between minus half and 1, and these three are the roots. 0 I've just added, the roots are here, the turning points will be here. When x is between minus half and 1, so x is say 0, this will be positive, x minus 1 will be negative, x plus half will be positive. Positive by negative, that is negative. So in this region, it does not work because it is negative. In this region, minus 1 to minus half, it will work. Why will it work? So let's say x is minus half plus 1 is positive, minus half minus 1 is negative. Sorry, x is in between here. These two will be negative, this will be positive. Positive by positive, it will work. So in this range, it will work. In this range, all three terms are negative, it won't work. Does not work, works. Does not work, works. So x has to lie between minus 1 and minus half, both not included, or greater than 1 to infinity. X should not be 0. Anyway, x equal to 0 is not part of our solution. We're safe, we're happy. X cannot be minus half, that's also not part of the solution. We're looking for minus 1 to minus half union 1 to infinity. This is our answer. Carve out the squares, keep them aside, worry about numerator and denominator going to 0 because there's a greater than, not greater than, not equal to. Keep that in mind, you have to worry about that. Then find the roots. Roots are places where numerator goes to 0 or denominator goes to 0. Mark down the roots. Roots will be turning points. Go point by point, range by range, get through.